If you have ever been to a bike store and you go perusing through their selection, trying to find something that best fits your needs, you're actually following in the footsteps of the person who created or designed all the bicycles that you see in front of you. Because electric bikes are a lot like hamburgers. They're made of specific ingredients. And today we're actually going to go shopping. We're going to go checking out motors at Truckrun because they actually have quite a lot of options. And it's really fun to see what they are and what they can do. So let's go do that.
Hello, I'm Elise from Truckrun. Truckrun was established in 2017, and since 2017, Truckrun has developed more than 30 motors, including hub motors, mid-drive motors, and the e-scooter motors. Hub motors is from 250 watt to 1,500 watt. Mid-drive motors is from 250 watt to 1,200 watt. E-scooter motor is 250 to 750 watt. Right now we have 27 engineers and 13 engineers used to work in Bafang before. Our founder, Mr. Zhou Lan, he worked in Shanra. Shanra is a brand of the motorbike. He was the general manager in that company, so he got over 20 years experience in the two-wheels industry. Also, after that, after he quit the job from the Shanra, he founded Mobike in China. It's the first biggest company for sharing bikes in China. After that, Bosch. The Bosch launched the mid-drive motor, and then my boss, the Zhou Lan, he has got this news from a Eurobike. And then when he come back, he talked with his team, the young cycling lovers and the engineers, and then they talk about it, and then they think the electric bicycle will be the trend of the bicycle industry. So they decided to build Truckrun. Zhou Lan. He has over like 20 years experience in bicycle industry, and also he is the lover of the bike. Also, he every day asks our engineers, at least 5 engineers, to ride the bike out of the office, in the street and the mountains and anywhere. Morning and afternoon, different engineers. So I told you just we have like 27 engineers, but you cannot see all of them because most of them will go out to ride the bikes. When he decided to build this company, actually there are many passionate words surrounding him, so they decided to build Truckrun together.
So that's one of the first rideshare bikes, or at least one of the first big rideshare bikes in China, which is Mid-Drive. Guess who made the motors? Truckrun.
The best one is the M11. The M11 is the most classical motor in our company. It's the earliest product as well. It's from 2018. It's from 2018, and then because of the quality, so it's still production right now. Because it's built in the torque sensor and the controller, and the quality is very stable, and because the after sales issues are very low, so the customers love this motor. The next big one is RW06. Is a hub motor. 500 watt. It's for the US market as well. Okay, this dual axle is released last year. And it's ready for the. The two rings are ready this year actually. This one dual axle is the quick release motor, and it's very good for commuting bike and the urban bike and the road bike. M12 is the newest mid-drive motors in our company. The power is from 250 watt to 750 watt, and it can get in 750 watt power, the torque can get like 160 Newton meter. M11 is the main advantage is the lightweight. It's quite light, only 1.7 kilograms, and the Newton meter is 70 Newton meter in 250 watts. And it can be hidden in the bike frame stone tube. We couple with ranging speed stone tube. It can be hidden inside. First, they know this bike from Bosch, and they buy the motor can back test it, and they know the schedule inside of the motor. And one of our co-founder is our technical manager. He worked in bicycle industry more than 10 years as well, so he knows the motors. Also, he used to work in Bafang.
Small production lines like this one at Truckrun Motor here in Wuxing, China, these contribute to China's dominance in the electric bike component market.
We moved here, actually this whole industry park belongs to Truckrun. Like the 5 buildings, but the Truckrun only use this one building and 3 floors. The second floor is our warehouse, and the third floor is the working shop, and the 4th floor is our office. And every floor is about 2,500 square meters, and the total about 68 people working here, and 27 engineers, 26 workers. Every hour we can produce 80-piece motors for one working line, but we have 3 working lines, so every 1 hour it can be more than 20-piece motors. 180,000 piece motors per year, half for the US and half for the European market. For the samples, all the motors before release, we have to install. We make samples, install on the bike and riding in 2 years, at least 2 years. And after 2 years, everything goes well, we will publish like this motor is ready. So we start to make the samples and make the tooling for this motor. And the first in our company, also when all the materials get in our company, we have the incoming materials test. During the working line, we have like the status current testing, installation testing, and the specs testing. And before the package, all the mid motors we will install on the bike to test it right around our factory before pack them, before ship them. The trend of the bicycle is like environment friendly, economic, intelligent. So in the future, our motors controlling system become intelligent system. We can connect our Truckrun motor controlling system with our phone, because we have Truckrun app is ready. After connecting, during the riding, all the information can be shown in the app, Truckrun app. This year, we start the Taiwan assembly line in March, already in March, so we can get all the motors can be exported from Taiwan to abroad and get origin certificate from Taiwan. Italian office and the French office will be start. Italian office will be started in July, and the French office started this month. Okay, the next year we hope the turnover growth is more than 20% next year, and after that we hope to make the assembly line in Vietnam, and also we can open the after sales office in US. The East Coast US, and then the West Coast office. Yes, for bicycle brands. Also maybe some after sales, some end customers, end users. Maybe they have some. They want to they want to get some technical support from us, so we can ask them to contact our office. Or you can contact by our website and LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Everywhere you can find me. You can find Truckrun. www.truckrun.com.
If you want to see some more videos from the trip to China, be sure and check out this playlist, or you can check out Truckrun by checking the link in the description below. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on the later.